you?
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service at Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania.
Great.
Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania.
Great.
Northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Maplewood Park, or near Youngstown, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Sheesh.
Hail has been reported with this storm in Youngstown, Ohio at 4:30 p.m. Source, radar indicated.
What?
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage
But we're gonna
to
have an
trees and
SVR
power
too
lines,
for
resulting in
Poland.
some power outages. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Grove City, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, Pulaski, New Bedford, Harrisville, West Middlesex, Plain Grove Township, and West Liberty. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 101 and 115.
They say interstate.
Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of
Bro,
the
we
building.
totally forgot about
Please
I-80.
report severe weather by calling
412-262-1588,
posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer. The severe thunderstorm watch effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: North, Muscatine, and Perry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch seasonal conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Winds 25 to 30 miles. Up to 45 miles an hour. Increasing the rumble.
Frank! High wind warning! High wind warning! Frank! Oh no!
A weather message. For the following counties in Ohio:
Oh no!
Portage, Stark, and Trumbull. High wind warning in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. This replaces the wind advisory. What? Southwest winds 20
Oh,
to 35
no!
miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? In Ohio, Ashtabula Inlet, Stark, Portage, Trumbull, Stark, and Mahoning counties. In Pennsylvania, Crawford County. When? Tonight.
Oh, my goodness!
Down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, Mahone. Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Madison to near Chardon to near Twinsburg, moving
Damn.
northeast at 75 miles per hour.
75.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
I was
Source,
expecting
radar
that.
indicated.
I was freaking
Impact,
expecting
expect
that.
considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ashtabula,
Oh my
Conneaut,
God,
Geneva,
what?
North Kingsville,
Oh, Sharks are
Middlefield,
freaking
Kingsman,
bad.
North Bloomfield, Orwell, Britain, Andover, West Farmington, Bristolville, Parkman, Huntsburg, Clarendon, Mecca, Austinburg, Mortville, Kingsville, and Hartsgrove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following
You give
counties
me no
in
time,
Ohio:
Cleveland.
Ashtabula, Geauga, and Trumbull.
Yes.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Yes,
Mercer
I
County
knew
in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
My report
At 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Atlantic, or 11 miles south of Meadville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, 911 call center. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
Holy crap.
Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharon, Grove City, Franklin, Sharpsville, Greenville, Cedar Creek, Farrell, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Mercer, and Pulaski. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 108 and 137. Interstate 88
That's what you call an
between
SVR.
mile markers 0 and 28. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 10. For your
I literally
move
got
to an
back.
interior room on the
Immediately
lowest
as I
floor
came
of a
back,
building.
I heard my ear
Please
tab
report
going
severe
off.
weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence, Mercer, and
Don't follow
Venango.
tornado to me.
The National Weather Service Facebook page, Twitter at